welcome to Explorer Hub. In today's work example, we'll be looking at a quadratic equation with complex roots and we'll be finding those complex roots. So let's start. First, we will see that the quadratic equation has a of 1, b of minus 6, c of 13. Then we will use the quadratic formula, which we know as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now we'll just substitute these values into this expression and we would get 6 plus minus square root of 36 minus 4 into 1 into 13 over 2 times 1. Simplifying it, we would get 6 plus minus under root minus 16 over 2. We know that the square root of minus 16 is 4i, as we are now familiar with complex numbers. So we would write 6 plus minus 4i over 2. Further simplifying it, we would get 3 plus minus 2i. So basically, we solved a quadratic equation, and as expected, we got two complex roots. And if you notice, both roots are basically the complex conjugates of each other. So the complex conjugate of 3 plus 2i is 3 minus 2i, which is basically the two roots of the equation. So we know that the two roots of the equation are x is equals to 3 plus 2i and x is equals to 3 minus 2i. So thank you for joining us. See you in the next lecture.